Meet Debra Setts. She's a retired biomedical engineer, but she's always had an interest in acting, and thanks to Burrell, she gets to act as a patient as part of the Standardized Patient Program, also called SPs.
We see several students throughout the day, and we have to provide the same type of scenario, display the same type of characteristics that would allow them to diagnose our symptoms.
The SPs get a script detailing a current medical problem, and it's their job to act out their symptoms and medical history.
It allows the students to have that social interaction they may not have had prior to coming to Burrell.
The student doctors are taking what they learn in academia and applying them to the real world.
We had our first standardized patient experience, which was very exciting. We've all been waiting for this.
Getting this early experience is very good, and I can tell in the future it's gonna benefit me a lot. Until this part it's testing, and now that we're actually in with patients, it's a whole different experience.
SPs work Monday through Friday, various times during business hours, and they get compensated for their time.
So throughout the year, we're looking for more members of the community to join us in both Florida and New Mexico to work in the Standardized Patient Program.
Debra says this is a role of a lifetime, and it's her small way of helping her community and assisting a new generation of doctors.
It is a feeling of giving back, and it's a wonderful feeling to see them grow and learn how to give that feeling of I'm confident with my skills because I've been practicing with standardized patients.